Alright, so today I'll be unboxing the new refresh of the Axial SCX24 Ford Bronco in the red and white Heritage Edition. Not necessarily called that, but definitely what it is there to represent. The new refresh has the three colors, the white, the green, and the red and white. The green looks really nice. The white's very clean looking, but this definitely has that retro pop to it. Alright, let's get it opened up. Got your handy packet with the batteries, the extra drive shaft pieces, the shock shims, and it looks like an extra body Velcro mount. Interesting. It also comes with the SLT2 Spectrum controller. When I got that Bronco, it came with this older one. The blue Bronco came with the same one. Also comes with the charger and adapter for the battery. Just one zip tie underneath holding it. Alright, this thing is awesome looking. Looks like the level of detail on the older bodies is pretty close to the same, if not the identical, just the different color paint scheme. I do like the white wheels, it's a nice touch. Alright, let's look up under it. Is it hard mounted? Don't see. How is it mounted? Oh. How in the heck? Okay. I didn't want to break something. It's different than the Velcro style of that. Okay, so there's no interior. That's gonna be your difference there, which is your little guy and everything. Looks like you can still bolt it in though, or at least in the front, potentially in the back too. But yeah, so it's a lighter body. Comes with the Spectrum 2-in-1, Axial AS1 servo, and the Spectrum. This battery's a little thinner. Interesting. Alright, so this battery is definitely. And this is actually the battery out of the base camp, but it looks like they've made the battery a little smaller. I like that. Looks nice. The other batteries still fit, it's just a little more snug. Of course, you'll want to run it upside down so you can reach. And the wires are about the same length, so as far as a backup, these will still work. But these are interesting also. Yeah. Don't ever leave it plugged in. You don't want to find out the hard way. Alright. That is plugged in. These shocks definitely have way more. There's a lot less play comparatively to the bounciness of the original version. They don't have the little fake reservoirs on them either. Other than that, looks like most of the rest of it's still the same. I like the new body clip style. Yeah, satisfying. Wow, that is awesome. Put the battery back in this. Sorry. Blue Bronco. Didn't mean to leave you upside down. So this Bronco is mostly upgraded servo. It's still the stock motor and ESC, but I did pick up the Firma one, which is what I have in what started as a blue Bronco. And then I picked up the EcoPower all metal. It's the direct mount that goes on here. I hope he actually gave me the direct mount. He did not. But that's fine, because this has the nice upgraded Muse axles. Anyway, back to what we were originally talking about. Let me put batteries in the controller. I'm just curious to see how it does compared to one of the modified ones on the articulation ramp. Alright, power button, red light. Should be able to reach the power switch. Yeah. Moment of truth. Ooh. Okay, so that's the point of front wheel off the ground, but oh yeah. Oops. Definitely can tell the difference. Oh, no. Either way, it definitely isn't quite as top heavy, because the other one would roll completely at that point. Alright, before we hurt it, let's see how my little dinky 3D printed ramp treats it. Okay. Okay, that's not what I meant to do, but that works. Overall, it does feel more stout. The shocks are a big difference, being oil filled. They don't feel as cheap. Looks like it's got one shim each on the back and none on the front. But overall, this thing is pretty beautiful. I do love the other colors from the previous version. All the colors in general look great. This one definitely looks like it should see some sand and be on the beach. Interested to do some metal white bead locks on this one. Try to keep the aesthetic, but oh wow, yeah. That's awesome. I really do like the upgrades they did. Taking the interior out makes all the difference in that center of gravity. If you'd like to see more of it crawling, or a comparison of how it does to one that is fully upgraded, as that one started as the blue Bronco, like I said, let me know in the comments. I'll be doing some more unboxings and have a series coming up. And you know we had to.